Okay guys, 2020 Toyota RAV4, we have a cabin filter, so that's what we're gonna replace on this guy. If you want to get this cabin filter, it's about 23 bucks. Premium guard, that's the part number, and part number is right on it, so that's the part number right there. Anyways, you're gonna go in the glove box. Okay, you're gonna pull this guy right here. This customer has a lot of stuff on it, so this stuff will fall. That's fine. We're gonna squeeze and pull down, squeeze and pull down. Once this comes down, we're gonna have access. This whole glove box can come down just like that. We're gonna have access to this little guy. See, it says arrow up. That doesn't mean the airflow is up. That's just arrow up. We're gonna squeeze these two, pull this off. Okay, we got our cabin filter tray, which is just freaking filthy. So I'm gonna get the new filter in here. Okay, don't worry about the seat. A lot of people will criticize, but when I'm recording to help people out, I only have one hand. Okay, so if I'm gonna show you something how to do, it's gonna be with the one hand. Okay, come on. Okay, airflow, anything like that, nothing's on it like that. So we're gonna take this new filter, try to kind of clean that out. So the new filter again doesn't have up and down, no, it does have an arrow up. So we're gonna put that arrow up, so the harder sides on each side, and this can simply just go in there just like that. Make sure it's closed on the notches here. So again, it goes back in just like that. Okay, and then your lid goes in from that side. It goes, clicks in, and this side it goes in just like that. So I need to get these into these. Bear with me here, guys. Don't know how I'm gonna do this with one hand, but I should be able to do it. But everything's gonna fall out. Okay, it's fine. There you go, there you go. This case didn't go in properly yet. There you go. This goes just like that. We're gonna put this plunger right in there. That way the glove box can come down smooth like that. I'm gonna put all the stuff in. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching my video. See you guys on the next one.